Okay, I've got my coffee now. Can I do better than that last game? Oh, that was just horrendous. F4 was a terrible move. Probably taking on C6 was a terrible move. When he played D4, he got the huge bishop. That was a horrendous game just now. But let's move on. Okay. If we can get a game. Okay, and I am at 2076. I am. Okay, I wonder if I should just go back to knight c3 for a moment, rather than the open Sicilians. The horror of the open Sicilian starting to be revealed. So I like this system sometimes. Okay. So the bishop's usefully potentially on that diagonal. It's easier to play in many respects without giving that c file to black. But okay, Queen h4 I think might be possible here, because knight g5 will hit e4 and h7 if he dares to give up his bishop and take this pawn. He's not really going to do that, is he? Bishop e3 coming out. I can maybe use the d file. So it looks good. Bishop e3 here. Okay, so if I get to play rook d1, maybe even knight e5 is possible. Knight g5. Rook d1 here. Okay, so is knight some free? It's a bit of an easier game than the game before. A free knight from this IM. Oh man, that's good. I mean, it's not good. It's a bit of confidence building sometimes. If the opponent blunders in Blitz and you've just been slaughtered the game before, it's just a little bit of confidence building, a weakness of the last move. I don't know. Quality this morning. I think I was stunned a lot by the exchange sack though in that last game. Okay, so knight e5 here is possibly quite good to get the dark square bishop, and then the rook can't move queen f7, so I think that's possibly good. Bishop takes, queen takes. I've got rook d7. Okay. Queen double attacking is a very common thing recently, isn't it? This h7 and e7. Alright, it's in examine mode now. Yeah, that was okay. I don't know what to say about this morning. I'm having my coffee. That's one thing which is very, very important. So this guy, even though he's an IM, he's like lower rated than the other one. And you know, on Blitz, you know, it's really the current rating that matters, not necessarily a FIDE title. So the current rating. He just blunders a piece, but let's move on and maybe get a meaty fighting game in the next game. Thanks very much.